So hello guys, today I will show you aspect ratio widget in Flutter. So how to use it? Okay, let's start. Create new dot file. Name is aspect ratio. Create a stateless class. Name is aspect ratio. Return scaffold. Bar. Title is aspect ratio. Style, text style color is white. Background color is purple. Center title is true. Let's run this file in main.dart. Import this library. Run now. The screen layout change in aspect ratio is an example of screen layouts. Okay, in the body I will use a container. Color is yellow. Alignment is a center. Width is infinity. Height is 150. In the child I will use aspect ratio widget. 16 divided by 9. Into child I will use second container. Color is orange. See this output. I will change the height and layout will be changed. Set 300. You can see the output will be changed. Okay, so you will practice on these layouts.